So let's start from DXY. Then let's start with technical analysis, and let's look at the weekly chart. So we're going to use top analysis to do the analysis. Now on the weekly chart, we can see the market structure and you can see the market patterns. That this market is trying to form, a W pattern. So this is double bottom. You can see these are double bottom. Then the market is moving up. So for this week, we're expecting a continuation of uptrend for DXY. So let's go to this is a double bottom, then which is support level. Then this is double top, which is resistance level. So what we'll be after is that let's look at the reaction of these markets. Let's go to daily time frame. So at the daily time frame, dollar index, has reached the dollar index has reached the the highest level, previous highest level of August 25. So which we are still expecting. As long as market find it difficult to break above the signal line, the market is coming down. So on the daily time frame, let's look at our trend. This is our trend, and the market has broke the trend line. So which we are expecting a continuation of downtrend for this week. But let's go to 4 hours and see our major entry direction, whether it's uptrend, downtrend. So we can see the market is forming, an uptrend from lower low here. And last week it broke the uptrend, and it has changed the character from uptrend to downtrend, and this is downtrend. So if the USD US dollar index maintain this direction down and it break above the previous structure, so definitely the market is going to sell throughout this week. And you know what that means? If the interest is coming down, definitely you'll be seeing GBP USD going up, Euro USD going up, or USD probably, and let me say any currency that has a dollar index as base currency, they will be coming down, like USD CAD, USDPY, and USD But any currency that has base, any currency which dollar index is code currency, they will be going up. So I will not be able to place a buy until when the market break above. So we break above this resistance line and you see retest them from then, we can see the dollar index to be going up. Let's do analysis on Euro USD and see where the market is going. So on the weekly chart, let's see what happened on the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, you can see the market has been ranging for some, for some days, some weeks now. So you can see ranging market for some days now. So which means we have a support zone around this place. Support zone, then we have a resistance zone around this place. So but let's look at the daily and see what daily is going to tell us. Let's look at the direction of daily. So the daily direction is it's giving us, let's see, which pattern can we have here. We are seeing a channel. It's a channel. So the market has broke the channel. And when you look at the trend, let's look at the trend. Here's our trend. Here's our trend. You can see this market has maintained the uptrend, and I also break the downtrend, the former downtrend, which is so that's break. And as long as the market maintain this level below this moving average, below this, as long as market maintain this below, as this market maintain, stability above this trend line. So for this week, Euro USD is going up. So let's go to 4 hours and see some of the key levels where we're expecting the Euro. So this is the downtrend, and the market has broke the downtrend. And let's see another trend. This is the uptrend right now. So and what the market is giving us is this: if we break, we have a support level. So if this market break below the support level, we'll expect the market to come and retest this level. But if we reduce and maintain this, minor uptrend, definitely throughout this week, we'll be expecting the market, to rally up for this week, to rally up. This is AUD USD. Let's see what the AUD USD is trying to do on the weekly. So what do we have? We have a ranging also on the weekly time frame. You can see AUD USD is not giving us a very good structure. But let's see what we can get on the daily time frame. So what can we get? What can we see on the daily time frame? You can also see on the daily time frame that this market is ranging. It has been ranging for some, for some days now. So, but now I want to look at an opportunity to trade. So let's look at the support level. Let's look at the support level. For those of you who are watching my analysis right now, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, please, I want you to stop right now and click on the subscribe button so that you can be seeing some of the analysis I will be posting in this place on a weekly basis. And if you have been, watching my video before, I want you to recommend this channel to some of your friends so that you can listen and see some of the weekly analysis. So as long as this market still remain, below this trend line, so we are not ready to enter buy until the market break above, and if the market break below the support level, then we can look for opportunity to sell. So this is it. So right now we are looking for an opportunity for the market to break above this this trend line, then we'll buy. So let's go from down this USDCF, and when you look at, let's go to weekly charts on the USDCF. Now the same thing you can see on the weekly chart, the same thing we can see a ranging market. So it has been ranging for some days now. So, but we want to look at how we can make an opportunity to either buy or to sell for this week. So let's go to daily and see what we can get at the daily. So these are the daily. You can see we have, a support level, a support zone, and a resistance zone here. So the market maintains this support zone. So we'll be looking for opportunity to buy to the next level. But let's look at what is going to happen and an opportunity we can use on on the daily, on the 4 hours time frame. So this market still maintain a downtrend. Can you see this trend? So we will not have a clear route until when we have a breakout on this level before we can look for buy opportunity. So throughout this week, we need to be very careful for some of the trades because there will be more ranging on some of the trades. So you need to be very careful. So when the market break below, then we can look for opportunity to sell. And remember that forex market require patience. So you need to wait for the market to play out before you can take any decision. So let's go to the next topic. Let's chat. Let's go to the next chart, PS. So this is GBP/USD. Let's go to weekly and see what the market is. The market is giving us on weekly. Let's see the weekly. This is the weekly time frame. And what do we have at the weekly time frame? So you can see, an uptrend. Then you can see the market is, forming a downtrend again. But can we say that this is the end of the downtrend? Or let's see what the market is going to give us, or giving us on. Let's see what the market is going to give us on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, yeah, let me show you something on the weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly time frame that this PA give us an Arabic candle. So this is an AMA. This is an AMA bullish AMA. So which we are expecting that likely for this market to go up. But let's go to daily and see the candlestick pattern and the chart patterns we can get there. Okay, so this is bullish engulfing market, give a bullish engulfing, and you also have a bullish hammer. But let's look at the trend. So yes, if this market break above this this trend line, then we can see that the market is going up. So for this week, so let's go to 4 hours and see some of the things we can also get for a confirmation. Okay, so we can also see a counter trend here, which is a bullish trend. So if the market maintains this level as a support zone, so and this will maintain this level as a resistance zone. So we cannot see anything until when we see the market break, either it break above this resistance zone, and we'll be seeing the opportunity to buy, and if it breaks below, then we'll be looking for an opportunity to sell. So for GBP/USD, we are still waiting for a market direction for this week. So this is the USD card, and for USD card, let's see the markets for this week. So let's see the market for this week, right? So for weekly time frame, what do we have? What are the structure of the market we have? We can say we have a minor uptrend, minor uptrend. Let me see. Let me see from this level. Yeah, minus uptrend. So okay. All right, so this is the area at which we want to trade for this week. So on a weekly time frame, we can see we have an uptrend movement of the market, and you can see the market from impulse, then correction, then impulse, correction, impulse. So the movement has ended there, downtrend has ended there, and the market is trying to be going up. So let's look at this trend line too. That's break this downtrend before. So as long as the market maintain this uptrend, so definitely this trend line, we are still hoping for the market to go up this week. So let's do amendment. It's an uptrend. Can see, and even out uptrend, we still also have ascending channel. This will be an ascending channel right now. You can see this is an ascending channel. Still hoping that the market is going up. So we have an inner trend also. So inner trend also, which is this. Yes. So now let's go to 4 hours and see an opportunity. So on 4 hours, we can still see that the USD card has not, never ready to come down. So we can see still maintain the support level around this base, which is support zone. So we still have a support zone around this base level, and we still have another inner trend, which is support this and support this dynamic support. So the market find difficult to break down. Definitely, we still be hoping this week that the card will continue moving up, even up to this level to form a resistant level here. So let's go to the last one, which is USD JPY. I'm trying to analyze major pairs of currency, the major pairs of currency. So let's go to the last one, which is USD JPY. What this market is doing, you can see from the beginning, for some months now, you can see the market is forming an uptrend. You can see that we have a zone here, a zone. So now let's go to daily now. So at the daily, what do we still have? We still have maintaining of an uptrend. The market is still maintaining an uptrend on daily. You can see an opportunity. Market is still going up. So as long as this market is still maintaining this uptrend momentum, we are still hoping that more, for GBP USD to buy. So this is area of of our interest for buying. If this market refuses to break these levels, definitely we'll be looking for an opportunity to buy. So the candle that closed last week was a day candle that closed last week was a bullish Pemba. So let's go to 4 hours and see what will likely happen on 4 hours for this week. So if the market refuses to break this level, especially this level here, it refuses to break here. So we still maintain an uptrend. We still maintain an uptrend here. So, and let's look at what market is going to give us and where it's heading to this week. So definitely, market is less than previous high. So these are previous high. And so definitely we are expecting the market to move. As long as it's maintained this level, to move up. As long as it's maintained this level, it's moving up right now. So for those of you who want to trade JPY, I think the market is still maintaining an uptrend. Market is still maintaining an uptrend. So thank you. So let's go to the last one, which is New Zealand USD. So this is less than USD. Okay. So let's look at this, what the market has been doing for some weeks now. We can see market has been coming down for some weeks now. And this market still maintain, this support level still maintain. So if the market find it difficult to break above this level, so we are still expecting the market to move up. And this is, you can see, it's a very valid level. So since January this year, up to this level, market has been tested some, tested the zone, which is support zones, demand zone, support zone. So for, and this is going to be our major, you know, supply zone, which is resistant levels, resistance zone. So um, we presently wait for the market to break. If it breaks above the downtrend, then we can look for opportunity to buy. But presently, we cannot say that the market is, coming down. I mean, the market is going up, so we can see opportunity, for down. But we cannot see the market is going on now. So let's go to 4 hours and look at the structure. So the structure we can use. All right, we can look at this level now. This is you know, the market broke this level, the test then started coming and then went up again. So if the market starts, the market still maintain this resistance level, you understand? I still hope that the market is still coming down. One cannot say so where the market will be telling, or only what you need to do is just to react to what the market is saying. So you are not to give the market what it's supposed to do. You are not to say what the market is supposed to do, so you react. So if this market is still maintained, but for me to sell opportunity, I have to allow the market to break this a minor retracement. If you break this minor retracement, then I can definitely believe and know that the market is coming down to this level, unless if we break here. So the market is coming down. But if you refuse to break, so definitely the market will still be going up. Then if it breaks above this level now, if we break above this level, then we can look for opportunity to buy for this week. So this is my analysis on this week market movements, market forecast. If you need more of these videos and some analysis, you can click on my Telegram channel. I normally post signals analysis on my Telegram channel. It's free. You can join it for free. So the link is down below. So you can click on and join my Telegram group. Please share this video for those that be struggling for analysis, weekly analysis. Share this video. Thank you very much. I still remain Segun Adeboju, the CEO of HMC Forex Academy. If you want more of this video, you can reach out to me. Thank you. Have a blessed week. Bye for now.